In today's video, I am going to teach you how to choose clothing size on Amazon. Start by opening the product page for the clothing item you want to buy on Amazon. This is the page where you will see the images, price, available options, and product details. Before choosing a size, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct item since sizing can vary from one brand or product to another. Next, scroll down until you find the size section. This area is usually located near the product options, where you can choose things like size, color, or style. The size section is important because it gives you the exact options available for that specific item. If the product page includes a size chart link, click or tap on it. This chart can help you understand how the brand defines each size. Amazon clothing sizes are not always the same across every seller, so it is a good idea to check the chart instead of relying only on your usual size. After that, measure yourself and compare your measurements with the size chart. Common measurements include chest, waist, hips, and inseam depending on the type of clothing. Try to use current measurements for the best result. When comparing, look for the size that most closely matches your body measurements rather than choosing based only on the label, such as small, medium, or large. Then check the product description for fit details. Many clothing listings include terms like slim fit, regular fit, or loose fit. This information helps you understand how the item is designed to sit on the body. A slim fit may feel more fitted and close to the body, while a loose fit may offer more room and comfort. It is also helpful to read customer reviews. Reviews often mention whether an item runs small, runs large, or fits true to size. This real-world feedback can give you extra confidence before making your choice, especially if the size chart seems unclear or if you are between sizes. Once you have reviewed the chart, checked the fit description, and read the reviews, select your preferred size from the size drop-down menu. Take one final look to confirm that the size you chose matches your measurements and fit preference. If the item requires a color selection, choose your preferred color next and then add the item to your cart. That covers everything you need to know.